I never buy pizza anymore. I only make this recipe at home. So you're going to start the recipe by adding margarine or butter to your pan. This recipe is practical, it is quick, and so delicious. Next, we're going to add slices of bread. You'll just add one slice next to the other, and this recipe will be delicious. Now, I prefer to add crustless bread, but you can add whichever slice of bread you prefer. This recipe is so, so good. This is like making a quick pizza, and you'll never spend money on this recipe again. And your family will love it. So make this pizza in a square shape, which will also look so, so great. And we're just going to add the slices next to each other like so. Now, after filling the whole pan, we're going to add the sauce. I prefer tomato sauce to make this pizza really taste like pizza. And just spread the sauce all over your slices of bread. You want to spread it well to really soak into your bread. And after finishing, you can really add the ingredients of your choice. So I'm going to fill my pizza with some slices of ham. Getting so excited to eat this pizza. And I guarantee once you make pizza like this, you're never going to buy pizza again. I mean, look at how easy it is. You can use what's in your fridge. My mouth is watering. Now all you have to do is cover your ham with slices of mozzarella cheese. The taste and the flavors of this pizza, they're really going to surprise you. Now, after finishing with the mozzarella slices, you can add some slices of pepperoni, but of course this ingredient is optional. You can add meat, maybe some chicken or tuna. You can really make this pizza in whatever flavor you like best. This is a quick, easy, and delicious pizza. Make your pizza with the ingredients that you have in your fridge. So it's a quick and easy and perfect snack. My kids love it too, which is great, and I guarantee that the taste will be amazing. You can really get creative and create a flavor of your choice. So after adding the pepperoni, I'm going to finish with some onion rings. Of course, if you don't like onion, don't add. I prefer it, and it just makes the pizza taste extra special and spiced. Now we can add some other spices to give more flavor. Just add pieces of onion on top of your pepperoni. I'm going to finish with some catupiry, and just replace the cheese with any type of cheese that you like best. Gorgonzola cheese is perfect for pizzas with an intense flavor. And see how simple it is to make this pizza at home? I love this recipe so much. So just finish with some oregano. All of these ingredients are optional. And assemble the pizza in the flavor of your choice. Now add your pizza to the oven and wait 20 minutes. And after those 20 minutes, our pizza is ready. Should we go ahead and give it a taste? Wow, I wish you could smell it. It smells so wonderful. So cut a generous piece and call your family. I'm going to serve it on a plate, and it is ready to eat. Now, if you do want to eat it like the Brazilians, add some ketchup on top. Bon appetit.